Hello everyone and welcome back for another video. I know I haven't been posting lately, but that's because I'm very busy at the moment. But what I saw is the channel is still growing, so I like that. So keep smashing that subscribe button and those like buttons. So what we are doing today, I don't know exactly, because it was good weather and I'm free today. So I'm thinking what we can do. But I think we will do a wheel cleaning video because my summer wheels are back on and they are pretty filthy. So that's the thing I can do today to show you how I will clean them. So I guess we will do that. My goal is to make more videos for you guys because normally in Belgium it is pretty quickly dark, and now it's getting better. So I hope I get the opportunity to make more videos for you guys. So that's something I will work on. But today we will just do a wheel cleaning video, and my next video will be a review on some kind of tire dressing that I will be applying. So I will keep you guys updated on that, and we will start today's video. So this is the gear I will be using to clean my wheels. So a wash mitt from Gyeon. So, and a little brush to clean my tires from AliExpress, and the wheel woolly from Monello, and just a normal paintbrush to clean the outside of my wheels. In the bucket I have some Adams Blue car shampoo. The product for cleaning my tires is Tire Clean from Gyeon, and I have some diluted Bilberry wheel soap from Angel Wax, so that I will be spraying on the wheels first. So here are the wheels. So as you can see, they are pretty filthy. So that's what we will be cleaning today. So we'll give you a little bit of a view on how I do it, how I clean them, and how you can maybe do it at home. So and if you have some tips, put them in the comments down below. So I will show you guys how I do it. So the first thing I will be doing is spraying the wheel with some bilberry. So I will soak the wheels with it. Also the inner barrel of inner barrel of the wheel. And after that I take my wheel pulley from Monello. And then you can immediately see the dirt coming out of the inner barrel of the wheel. Well, so that's my step one. After that I take my normal brush. I clean the lug nuts, cap, and the side of the wheel. Also I clean the hard to reach areas on the rim with this one. You can see the dirt coming off very easily when I'm done with that. I take my Gyeon wash mitt and go over it again and make sure I have everything. This is an old This is an old mitt, so it doesn't hurt to use it on wheels. I don't use it on the paint anymore, so that's why I use it on the wheels right now. And that's it. After that I spray tire cleaner on my tires, of course. I scrub them very hard with this AliExpress brush. It has some soft bristles so it won't hurt the rims. But it's hard enough to scrub the tire, of course. After that's done, you just take your pressure washer and rinse it off. And after that the wheels are completely clean, as you can see, so it's very easy to do and it gives you a nice result. So of course what I just did is just my normal maintenance wheel wash. It's not an in-depth car wheel cleaning video. I should do that sometimes and put my Geon rim coating on, because I have one still left, and show you how that works out, because I hear about a lot of good things about wheel coatings. So let me know your favorite in the comments down below, because I should definitely get one. But yeah, my wheels are clean now, as you can see. Not super tidy clean, but more than clean enough for just a normal maintenance wash. So if you have some tips for me, just leave them in the comments. Smash that like button for me, please, and if you like what you saw, just hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye, ciao.